Welcome to my channel. How to set up Deco BE85 whole home mesh Wi-Fi 7 system. Unboxing and what's inside. Alright, when you open the box, you'll get the main Deco units, usually 2 or 3, depending on the pack, power adapters, Ethernet cable, and a quick start card. Keep that card handy. It's got the QR code you'll need later for the app. Pick your main Deco wisely. The first Deco is the main unit, don't hide it. Place it open, central, and near your modem. Placement matters. Connect to the modem. Unplug your existing router if you've got one. Now take the Ethernet cable that came with your Deco, plug one end into your modem and the other into the Deco's WAN port. Wait a minute or two, you'll see the light start pulsing. That means it's ready to set up. Download the Deco app. You'll need the TP-Link Deco App. Just grab it from the App Store or Play Store. Open it up, sign in or make an account, whatever's easier. The app basically does all the heavy lifting, so don't overthink it. Scan and start setup. When the app asks, scan the QR code on your Deco or the quick start card. It'll find your device automatically, unless your phone's Wi-Fi is off, so make sure that's on. Then it'll ask you to name your network and set a password. Let the firmware update. Now, this part's boring but important. After setup, the app usually pushes a firmware update right away. Don't skip it, just let it do its thing. It takes about 5 minutes. Once it's done, the light turns solid green. Plug the second Deco midway, not too far, not too close. The app will auto-detect it. Repeat for each unit to cover your whole house. Check your placement. Now, walk around your place with the app open. It'll show you the signal strength for each Deco. If one says, weak, just move it a few feet closer. Sometimes even shifting it off the floor makes a huge difference. Customize settings. Once everything's connected, go into settings. Set up a guest network if you want. Name your Decos by room, like living room or bedroom, makes troubleshooting easier later. You can also enable WPA3 security and check parental controls here. Test your speed and mesh. Last step, run the speed test in the app. Walk around to check coverage. If there's lag, just reboot, it usually fixes it. Thanks for watching.